Alright, so today I just wanted to make a quick video to say a big thank you to Off-Road Systems located around Sydney, New South Wales. The reason for that is these fantastic drawers right here. These are all aluminium construction, and they were custom fit to how I wanted them for my vehicle, which is a 1994 Range Rover Classic, and also the marvelous fridge slide to hold a 60-litre fridge freezer. I can't say enough about the quality of Off-Road Systems gear. As you can see, I have the bottom drawer with all my tools and recovery kit, and my top drawer is filled with all my utensils and cooking gear, first aid, and other lighter objects for camping. These, as I said, are all aluminium construction, so it keeps the weight down for touring in the back. So you can see this top drawer is on stop right now, which means it won't roll forward automatically if I'm facing downhill, and it's not going to come out anymore if I'm facing uphill. So if I just push that off the stops, for example, and just give it a slight push, that's the beauty of their rollers from Off-Road Systems. Very, very high quality. Same with the bottom drawer, even though there's a lot of weight in that drawer, simple push, and she can go in, no problems at all. The fridge slide has also been extremely well designed so that you can use one hand to open and close it, which means you're not going to catch yourself in any way when you're out in the bush and hurt yourself, which is one thing you don't want when you're touring in outback Australia, is to get hurt. Now, Off-Road Systems have complete packages where they can do the complete paneling and carpeting for you and a baseboard, or they can provide the drawers as just a base shell. In my case, that's exactly what I did. I went for a base shell. So all this carpeting and baseboard was all done by myself, which is great because it gives you an opportunity to have a custom set of drawers but still put your own do-it-yourself touch on it. One of the big things about these drawers is that there is a slope for the very back of the car and a slope for the back seats as well. So getting a custom set of drawers made proved to be very expensive, but with the Off-Road Systems do-it-yourself kits, we were able to measure up and have them stacked in such a way that it accommodates for that slope while still giving the storage space I wanted, and actually leaves a bit of space behind the top drawer here and the back seat for storing other first aid kits, and also a barbecue plate that can fit there as well. Bit of traffic this morning. Of course, the ability to tie down things once you've got your paneling on the drawers as well, like my cooker here and wash basin, is fantastic. It makes it really, really convenient, and you start being able to build off that to accommodate more accessories as you go. As you can see, I've actually got a projector power hub battery box there, and that will just fit absolutely perfectly, all by measuring time and time again to make sure, in communication with Off-Road Systems to make sure that this was all going to fit as we expected. And I just, again, can't say enough for the guys at Off-Road Systems. So big thank you. I must also note, from the point of view of a customer ordering such a product online and not actually being able to go to the shop, there's always an element of what if this doesn't work, what if that doesn't fit, what if it's damaged, for example. In my case, I will say the transport carrier did damage them in transport. They arrived with a few bends in the front. Thankfully not too bad. And Off-Road Systems straight away came to the party and said, hey, we will rebuild them for free, send them back if you'd like. For me at the time, I had a trip coming up, so that wasn't really appropriate or really convenient at all. And I was quite displeased with the carrier's response to it. And to be honest, I think Off-Road Systems as well weren't that happy with them. I won't name them. But what Off-Road Systems did do is they said, look, you've got a product from us, it's arrived to you damaged, and they were very kind enough to go ahead and refund me a bit of money for that damage to compensate it, and that is fantastic. I actually have not heard of many providers that do that. So again, massive shout out. If you have any inclinations to get a set of drawers and you want them perfectly fit for your vehicle, or you're after a really good fridge slide, highly recommend Australian made Off-Road Systems gear. Thanks guys.